1. Red-headed vulture, Sarcogyps calvus. Key characteristics instantly recognizable by its bare red to pinkish head and neck. Black body plumage and pale white patches on its thighs and breast. Status critically endangered. 2. Slender-billed vulture Gyps tenuirostris. Key characteristics features a long, thin dark gray neck and head with sparse downy feathers, a brownish-gray body, and a noticeably slender beak. Status critically endangered. 3. White-rumped vulture Gyps bengalensis. Key characteristics mostly dark brown or blackish body with a distinctive, bright white patch on its lower back rump, which is clearly visible when it flies. Status critically endangered.
Vulture populations have severely declined mainly due to poisoning, habitat loss, and a decrease in natural prey. Communities and conservationists are working together to protect key feeding sites and operate ecotourism programs to provide alternative income for locals.